Hello, this is a community education video in English by Catholic Charities Milwaukee. In the US, we say that the kitchen is the heart of the home. For many refugee families, the kitchen is where they pass on their culture through food. Your kitchen in the US might be very different from the one that you were used to overseas, and it's okay to have questions about how to clean it. Today we will share some daily cleanings you can do to keep your kitchen clean. It is easy to overlook daily cleaning, such as dishes and the sink, but it's essential because it can build up and make it hard to clean. When you clean daily, it gets easier to clean weekly and monthly. If you leave dishes in the sink, especially overnight, it can lead to bugs and unpleasant smells in the house, and it can be very expensive to get rid of bugs. For a quick cleaning tip, use warm water and dish soap to clean the sink after dishes. To maintain a clean kitchen, it is important to regularly clean and sanitize different areas in the kitchen. Wipe down the stove to get rid of any food that remains. Put away items such as cooking spices, keys, mail, chargers, and anything that does not belong on the countertops. Use a multi-purpose cleaner to sanitize countertops. Given that the kitchen counters are one of the most used areas in the house, it is important to clean them every day. The most gentle way to keep counters clean and avoid damage is to use a gentle cleaning cloth or a paper towel to wipe them down. Dish soap is the perfect choice for this task, and it's likely already in your kitchen. We know everyone is busy with their lives, but picking up things on the floor of your home every day makes cleaning easier. Sweep the floor daily and avoid dirt spreading onto the carpet and other areas of the house. Do not store food on the floor because mice or bugs can find them. If you have large items such as a bag of rice, store them on shelves that are at least 6 inches off the floor. Before you sweep, pick up toys and any large items of garbage. Move chairs if you can and be sure to sweep under the tables. Doing this every day will keep your kitchen neat and make it easier to clean. Taking out the trash on a regular basis will keep your home clean and organized. Even if the trash bag isn't full, taking it out daily is a good idea, especially if there is wet food or expired products that might attract bugs. This will help keep your kitchen clean and free of smell. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more cleaning videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video. Thank you to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of our grant funders.